Hey YouTube, driving down highway here, and I've seen this shovel a few times. In fact, I actually looked at buying it about a year and a half ago, and it's a Husky Brute, which is, I mean, everyone just calls them Husky, XL 300. Man, weeds have grown up quite a bit since last time I was here. Nice skidder too, but that's not what we're looking at. We're looking at this old sweetheart. So the story on it is it ran. Now I'm guaranteed it won't now, but I mean, I wouldn't want to fire it up without, you know, getting the valve cover off and stuff. But old GMC grill's all broken from the grapples hitting it. Man, look at that. They left the window down and everything. This thing will never run again. It'll never run again. Sickening. All it took was someone to roll the window up. Maybe start it once a year. This 300's a big shovel. Let's go look at it. Man, last time I was here, none of these blackberries were here. Nothing. I'll go look at this shell number in a minute. It's a big machine. It's a nice one though. I'm assuming this is let's see here. This must be fuel tank. This must be hydraulic tank. I'm standing on hydraulic. That one's fuel. 453 Detroit. That has the air box cover opened up. So that sucker will never run again. Dang, people. Piss me off. I mean, I guess a guy could have to rebuild it. Hey, at least the stack's capped. Oh, bee's nest. Anyways, it's got a 453 in it. Naturally aspirated. See, looks like the cab for your over height, because it's on such a tall riser. Looks like the cab has a hydraulic cylinder and lays off to its side. That's neat. Big cylinders, two of them. They're not giant. They look like they're about, on the outside, probably 8-inch. That one looks like he's a little bit of a leaker. Oh. Okay. Husky Brute, manufactured and sold by Husky Hydraulics Inc., Minnesota. XL 300, serial 5389. There's the operator's view. Or not view, but operator's levers. Swings on your feet. Probably froze. I think, man, I can't budge that swing. I'm assuming those 4 levers down there are your outriggers. I'm assuming this one's boom up and down, stick in and out, and one's probably heel. I don't know. Heel and grapple. Is that right? Anyways, yeah, I would think boom up and down, stick in and out. Probably grapple open, close. Oh. And heel, but how do you rotate your... I wonder how a guy who wears grapple rotate would be. Huh. I'm not gonna walk over to the grapples. They're there, I've seen them before. But, well, maybe I will. Let's walk over there. We've gone all the way over here, might as well. Worst case scenario is someone kicks me out. My biggest fear in all my videos, as you guys I'm sure know. Oh. Okay. The weird thing about these huskies is the heel's stationary. Right here, this is the heel. And then that cylinder moves your grapples up and down. Funky. And it looks funky too. Pretty neat. So not continuous rotate. I remembered it being continuous rotate, but time does fade one's memory. So, man, pretty cool. Looks like, I'm sure there's a spot on the bumper or something for that heel that sets on. Then they probably grab the grapples on the heel, and that's how they drive down the road. But when I talked to the guy about this, he said it used to run, oh yeah, right there, diesel fuel, hydraulic fuel. They said it used to run, and it was just an old shovel, so they just loaded truck or trailers here with it. It's last of its life. But wow, man, that thing's got a huge Rotec on it compared to mine. Oh, that's nice. It's really modern with the internal ring gear. Wow. It's got multiple pumps too. Unlike, you know, they're still gear pumps, not swash plates. But and it's another thing that's weird is this guarding on the back. It's like doesn't have a cover over the whole thing. They probably had a cover over the engine at one time, but it's all, the pumps and everything are all exposed. I find that weird. And I think that's if I zoom, I think that bad boy might be an air conditioner. Or has heater hoses, maybe just a heater setup. Anyways, there's the Husky Brute 300 XL.